My name is Lance Schroeder. I am studying to get a BFA in theater performance. Well, my official job title is facilities assistant, but that entitles mostly just cleaning steps and furniture. Well, if I ever need to sweep or mop for a role, I know how to do that real well now. Something most people don't know about me is that I don't like red shirts. I think red is a horrible color for shirts and it should never be worn.
Lance, you missed a spot.
What I enjoy most is the ability to pretty much pick my schedule anytime between the hours they say, and I can just choose what to work those. And I can listen to music or podcasts when I'm at work, and I don't have to deal with people unless I want to. Well, there's a whole bunch because I've been here for so long, but one of my most favorite recent memories is during the last show I was in called Dear Ruth, where one of my cast members slowly fell down the stairs on one of her entrances. My biggest piece of advice for new UWW students would be to just try to take as many classes and as many different courses as you can and in many different fields as you can, because as a person who switched majors 3 years in, it would have been nice to kind of experiment more early on, so that way I wouldn't have been here for so long. My favorite one would be C'est la vie, such is life.